Don't like the lights, but it's camera time. Said take the picture, but you rolled.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how I'm going to stretch my hair using these rollers. If you're new to my channel or you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button, like this video if you did enjoy it, and please don't forget to also hit on that notification bell to get yourself notified when a new video is out. Okay guys, so let's dive into the video. Basically, you guys know the drill already. I always talk about moisturizing your hair and keeping that hair moisturized. So I'm going to go in with this shea butter first to moisturize my hair. So guys, I'm not doing anything serious. It's pretty basic on how to stretch your hair if you have those rollers, or if you don't have. I got this from Amazon. I'm going to leave the link below. Don't worry, you can buy it, and it's quite cheap and it's quite affordable. You can get yours. I will be going with this medium size. They have other sizes. They have the bigger one, the little one. I think this one is the medium one. I think they have like two sizes. This is the middle one, the medium one. So right now, you shouldn't be worried about whether your pattern is good or not. You just need to blow out this hair. That's what we're going for. So this is how I'm going to do this. Place this here, and then I want to remove. Yeah. Once you're done, you close the mask by holding it. I think I didn't get this one right. It's kind of loose. Let's try again.
I'm losing it, there's no more screaming and silence. Get out my face, turn off the flash. I hate the fame, no more of that. Leave me alone, or I'll collapse. I need a break, don't feel the crack. You'll follow me, anywhere I try to be alone, I'll find you there. There's more to me, everywhere I try to go alone.
So guys, see what I'm showing. Sometimes it doesn't lap well, so I have to loosen it up again. The struggle is real. Hello guys, welcome back, and this is the next day, and I'm kind of excited to see whether the rollers actually did a good job or it was just there. I actually hope this turns out very fine, and if it does, this will be my new way of stretching my hair. Nice. Okay guys, let's take this off. Actually did. We made it coin.
I just wanna get to know ya. I wanna go far to the coast, yeah. I wanna drive fast to the ocean. I wanna know all of you.
So guys, this is what it looks like. I think my hair is stressed, and at the same time I like the fact it gave it these little coils. Okay, I think I know what to do next. Is I want to add some little styling. Can just comb out.
Yeah, I'm feeling a little crazy. Sat at home being lazy.
Guys, my hair is so full. Naturally, I struggle with having like a full hair. Like I don't have the density of my hair is not full, and being able to do this, I can see different ways I can actually style my hair right now. I think if you're not trying this roller thing, I think you should try it. I mean, I'm so amazed the way this turns out. I actually really like the fact that it won't came with little coils. In the sense that if you want to maybe switch to potato or do something very spicy, then I actually use this to achieve that. I really like this look. I don't know. I love it. I so love the outcome. What do you think about this? Does this work for you? Leave the comment section. So guys, this is the final look of the whole stretching thing. For me personally, I think the rollers did an amazing job. Let me know what you think about this experiment I just did. Does this work for you? Do you like how it stretches the hair and at the same time adds poise to it? Me personally, I love the outcome. I love the fact that it has a little bit of poise. Like with this, I can literally style my hair in any way I want. If this works for you, please leave the comment in the comment section. And if it doesn't work for you, please, I still want to know why it doesn't work for you. And if you have like other things that you actually use to stretch your hair, please let me know. I would love to try it out. Finding this right now, I can say I'm really happy. Like I'm so happy that I have something that I can easily use to stretch my hair without braiding it. That is stress of giving myself headache or in the name of braiding my hair to make it to stretch the hair. Having this is breathtaking. Anyway guys, this brings me to the end of this video. If you like this kind of content, please kindly hit on that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Like this video if you did enjoy it, and please don't forget to hit on that notification bell to get yourself notified when a new video is out. Love you guys. See you guys next week, the same time, same channel. So better click on that notification bell. Love it all and have a great weekend ahead. Bye.
Maybe if we took a moment long enough to realize how alike we are, that not everything is broken, 'cause you know me better than